Assalamualaikum and Salam Sejahtera. This presentation will continue on the topic of a systems approach to workstation ergonomics. We have previously covered individual aspects to consider for a systems approach to the design of workstations. We will now look into workstation aspects. There are many types of workstations in the workplace. There are computer workstations commonly found in offices, process or assembly line workstations commonly found in manufacturing plants, precision workstation for detail work with machinery workstations, and checkout counter workstations commonly found in retail outlets. They vary in workstation components depending on the equipment and tasks performed at the workstation. Optimizing workstation ergonomics requires an assessment of both the task and workstation. The application of ergonomic principles to workstation component and equipment selection, lighting design, and other worksite elements depends on the nature of the task being done. Therefore, it is important to identify ergonomic risk related to the task and workstation. When it comes to workstation design, there are 8 fundamental ergonomic principles, including maintaining neutral posture, working in the power or comfort zone, allowing for movement and stretching, reducing excessive force and motions, minimizing contact stress, reducing excessive vibration, and optimizing lighting and reducing glare. We will go over how we can achieve this in the following slides. Setting up workers' workstation is simply a matter of placing workers in a neutral posture and then arranging their furniture and equipment to allow them to work in that posture. Elements of workstation should conform to the anthropometry of the worker. The workspace envelope general rule for workstation layout is as follows. Place frequently used items, tools, and equipment immediately in front of the body within the hand's radius reach where elbow is bent at 90 degrees. Place occasionally used items, tools, or equipment within arm's reach where the arm is extended out. And finally, place seldom or rarely used items, tools, or equipment slightly further away or at the end of the hand's reach. This layout arrangement allows workers to maintain neutral postures and prevent excessive stress of the musculoskeletal system. In addition, perform tasks in neutral postures to minimize stress applied to the muscles, tendons, nerves, and bones to reduce musculoskeletal disorders. Using the right tools in the right posture will enable neutral postures to be maintained. Work in the power or comfort zone for lifting task. This is to maintain neutral posture, minimize excessive reach, and reduce force, as this is the zone where the arms and back can lift the most with the least amount of effort. Fixed body postures can increase static load and put stress on the body. To reduce this, introduce sit-stand desks to allow for movements and stretching. To reduce excessive force, use mechanical assist, counterbalance systems, adjustable height lift tables and workstations, powered equipment and ergonomic tools to reduce muscle exertions. In addition, job rotation and periodic stretch breaks can also be introduced to reduce excessive motions where it is unavoidable. To reduce contact stress, workstations can be designed with rounded edges and padding. Meanwhile, low vibration tools and anti-vibration gloves can be introduced for tasks that require the usage of vibrating machineries to reduce excessive vibrations. Finally, some tasks require additional illumination. Adjustable task lighting for detail work and control screen glare for computer users can be introduced to optimize lighting and reduce glare. That is all for this presentation. Thank you for your attention.